My name is Patti Barch, and I'm a traditional naturopath with an office in Onalaska, Wisconsin. I'm in my 7th year of practice, and we have 8 practitioners on staff. I recently brought in the Pulse XL Pro, and based on the recommendation actually of a couple of colleagues, they recommended the technology, but specifically the Pulse technology. So I did a lot of research, watched a lot of testimonial videos, and purchased the XL Pro. We're actually going live on Monday, so we've had it a little over 3 weeks, and we are booked out over 60 sessions already. We have the first 2 weeks of opening, there's not an appointment available, and then there's some even booked out beyond that. So we were able to do that through a variety of methods. First of all, I sent an email to my entire mailing list, just introducing, hey, we're going to be bringing this on, so people will have heard about it. And then just talking to people about it. Have you heard of this? It's pretty cool, and letting them know that I've been recommended this technology by some practitioners that I know, and the amazing things that I've seen that it can do. And I tell people, like, I've watched over 3 hours of testimonial videos, and I can't think of anything that it can't help with.